Let's have a closer look at this 24-watt CUPILO CPL 3310 10 motor massage heat pad right out of the box, and I'll show you how it works. Let's start with how it looks right out of the box. This was sent to me by CUPILO. A full disclosure will be at the end of this video. It includes a power supply, and this is how you connect it and disconnect it. Also, it automatically turns off after 30 minutes. Next, we'll have a look at the heat pad. And the pad is very soft. Feels really light, and it's about 2 inches thick. Now let's have a look on where the massaging devices are inside the heat pad. I found that there's 5 sections. One here, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And each section has 2 massagers. Comes with straps. It includes a strap for storage, along with a remote, and a side pocket. Keep your remote in the side pocket. We're going to be going over the functions on how this device works. If you find this video resonates with you, please like, comment, subscribe, or follow. Closer view of the remote. We'll go over on how to turn on the device and how to change the settings, show some more features, and also how to turn it off. But first, position your heat pad on the couch, a chair, the floor, on the bed, pretty much anywhere that there's a flat surface. Okay, here's the power button. The lights will actually help indicate what functions are currently working. Next is the 3 intensity levels. Green is low intensity, red is high intensity, and yellow is medium intensity. Next, I'll be showing you how to turn on and off the shoulder massaging area. Press the shoulder massage button. To turn off, repress the shoulder button. And now we'll focus on the back massaging area by pressing the back massager button. Now we'll turn it off by pressing the same button and focus on the lumbar massaging area. Press the lumbar massaging button. Now I press the same button to turn it off, and then now we're going to focus on the leg massaging area by pressing the leg massager button. Okay, now I turn that off by pressing the same button. Now we're going to focus on the multiple mode indicators. It's 5 pre-programmed massage modes by pressing the M button, which is modes M1, M2, M3, M4, M5. Press the red button to activate the heat. Repress the power button to turn it off. Full disclosure, this came to me free of charge. However, all opinions are my own. CUPILO is paying me for this review, nor has anyone reviewed or approved what you're about to see before it was uploaded. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.